Dewalt 2-pack clamp. This comes with 2 sets of these larger clamps and 2 sets of the smaller clamps. In order to use these, this is the release, so you can go back and forth on the clamp. It has a built-in stopper so you don't take the clamp off the end. In order to clamp something together tightly, you'll load your equipment, your hardware. You use the release lever to get it closer, and then you just trigger pull the trigger until you're ready to set the clamp. And now for the smaller clamp. Release, and then trigger to tighten.